In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a custom emoji in Slack. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by a sea of emojis in Slack, you're definitely not alone. Sometimes it's necessary to clear out the ones that just aren't as useful as you thought they would be. Or maybe you just want to refresh. Whatever your reason is, I'm here to guide you through the process, ensuring you can tidy up your emoji collection with ease. First things first, you'll want to open Slack and navigate to your workspace. This is where all the action happens. In the upper left corner of your screen, you should see the workspace name. Give it a click, and a menu will drop down. This menu allows you to manage your settings, among other things. Next, we're going to select Settings and Administration, and then click on Customize Workspace Name. Keep in mind that you substitute workspace name with whatever the actual name of your workspace is. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to a page specifically for customization within Slack, and this is where the magic really happens. Now, we're looking for the Emoji tab. This tab gives you the ability to add new emojis, but more importantly for this guide, it allows you to remove any custom ones you've created or uploaded. Scroll through the list until you find the emoji that you no longer wish to keep. When you find it, look to the right-hand side. You should see a small Delete button. Once you click it, you'll be prompted to confirm your choice for deletion. This step is just to make sure you don't delete anything by accident, since emojis can really brighten up conversations and it's easy to click a button one too many times. After confirming, you have successfully removed the unwanted emoji from your workspace. Give yourself a pat on the back. It's worth mentioning that while you can delete custom emojis, the standard set of emojis that Slack provides can't be altered or removed. This is purely for custom creations that you or your team have added over time. Now that you know how to delete a custom emoji, you can go through your workspace and declutter it whenever necessary. Keeping everything fresh and relevant not only helps in organizing, but can also make the communication experience much more enjoyable for everyone involved. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in assisting you to manage your Slack emojis. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy Slacking!